name is Mohammed Afzal. I'm Engineering Architect at Cisco UCS Solution Engineering Group. Today I'm going to show you to provision Docker container using Yarn. Currently, as you can see, I'm in a body dashboard, and here I'm going to launch Resource Manager GUI. Let's walk through briefly on this GUI before executing the Yarn application. This tab actually shows you overall cluster resources available, and as you can see, there are 14 GPU and there are 13 available. So let's drill down about the node information. We have labeled the node that has GPU. There's one label that 4 nodes has GPU label, and there is another label we have C480ML. This is the server. This is the Cisco UCS 480 and 5ML server. That's where we are planning to launch the container. If you go into this node, we can see how many GPUs are available. There are a total of 8 GPUs and they are all available. And this tab shows you more information about the GPU. There are a total of 8 GPU, and these are Tesla V100. And if we can scroll down, we can see the information about each GPU in this node. Let's look at the list of containers. There is currently no containers running on this node. Let's go to the Application tab. Let's start the application. Before we start, and there's some information that needs some attention. We are going to provision a Docker container, and this is the image. This is TensorFlow image coming from our private Docker registry. And we are going to execute a very simple Python code by instantiating a TensorFlow library and just multiplying two numbers. These are the resources that we are going to request for this container. Most importantly, we are going to request 6 GPU for this container, and we are also specifying the node label so that this container ends up in this node. Let's execute this command. As this command is executing in the background, we walk through the Yarn GUI and see what's happening. This is the application that's in the accepted stage. Let's go in. As you can see, this application is provisioned well 20, which is labeled as C480ML. Let's go inside that node. And now you can see that there are a total of 8 GPUs, and 6 has been used, and 2 are available. If you go into the list of containers, the containers are running. And now we can go into, before we go into the details of the containers, let's go to the cluster overview and see the status of the cluster resources. There are a total of 14 GPU and now 7 used. It was previously 13 available because we have requested 6. So there are only 7 GPUs available. Now, go back to the Application tab. Go to this node, go to the node, and go to the list of containers running in this node. This actually shows the output of the Python code that is actually multiplying two numbers. Let's verify if the application is still running, finished, completed, so that we can verify if the resources are returned to the cluster. Application has been completed successfully. I'll go back to the cluster and look at the node information. Now, as you can see that now a total of available 8 GPU. The resources has been returned to the cluster. Let's verify the cluster overview. Cluster overview also shows the total of 14 GPU and 13 available. That's all. Thank you for watching.